Welcome back to 7-Minute Options on Monday, November 29th. A lot of activity happening today here. So yeah, the market is doing its usual thing. I'm not too worried about this whole Omicron thing, and neither is the market right now. Some reds, some greens, but a couple of things I have to do today. One is my SPY Iron Condor is expiring today. You can see the red ITM sign there. I have to close it. And so, yeah, for some reason, we never really got to where we wanted to get to. I was hoping for a bit of a SPY pullback, maybe some more of this Omicron fear, but no, didn't happen. SPY is up at 468, so it didn't really pull back at all. I was hoping it would pull back below like 461-ish so that I can get a little bit of my money back here on this Iron Condor. Didn't happen. It actually, if anything, it went up. So anyway, all right, closing that one out for $4. Right now, that is the maximum I can lose, right? I got the 457, 461 call spread. I've blown past both of them, so that's $4. It is trading for right around $3.99, $4 today. I have the order to close it out. I have to close this out before the markets close in under an hour, so I'm going to be keeping an eye on that. But yeah, I got 18 days left in the December cycle, so this is a great opportunity for me to roll out my positions and reestablish some of these. Let's take a look at Palantir. We had the 25-26 narrow strangle. Let's see what I can do with these. If I just roll out this one, so let's see where Palantir is. Yeah, so there's Palantir. It's just it's been going sideways for 3-4 days now. That's great. If anything, it's been trending a little bit upwards over the last 3-4 days. So IVR is down to about 10. Only about $18 of extrinsic value left in these options here. That's fantastic. Let me see if I can roll this out to the January expiration, pick up 79, see if I can manipulate it a little bit. If I move the put down, I only pick up 6. That's not good for me. If I try to roll the call down and go inverted, I can pick up 107. So I can pick up $107 but go $1 inverted. I can pick up 90 by going to a strangle, or I can pick up 76 by maintaining this. So, you know what? I'm going to try to do this one. I'm okay with a 76. This is a 19 delta. This is a 77 delta. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, I can go down to the strangle. Strangle for 90 is not bad. I'm going to be rolling it out anyway. There's no earnings coming up in this cycle. The earnings are most likely out in the February-March timeframe. So I'm okay with this one. So move it to a 25 strangle, pick up 90 in credit, and straddle with a D because it's the same strike on both sides. All right, pick up 90 credit there, and let's see where that gets me. That's fine. All right, what else we got? Let's go to Fubo. Again, I'm just waiting for Palantir to move back there. All right, Fubo, let's see, 28.32. I got, wow. Only about $29 of extrinsic value in there. Okay, good. So roll this out into the January cycle, pick up another $90. Let's see, can I roll this down? Yeah, Fubo right now is trading for $20. I can roll my calls down to the 28 straddle again. What happens if I push down to the 27 straddle, pick up 55 credit? If I keep it at the 28, I get 116. I do expect a bit of a rebound from Fubo here at some point. So if I look at Fubo, same thing. It had a bit of a meltdown. It's going sideways right now. Perfectly fine by me. I'll pick up another $100 there. Where is it? There it is. 121 actually. And my buying power goes up a little bit. Perfect. All right. That one filled right away. Cool. All right, next one. What else we got? Zillow. Oh, my favorite stock in the world. Zillow, the gift that continues to give $3,200 buying power. It's sucking up right now. I got 75 put, 75 call, expiring in 18 days. If I roll this out to January, I pick up $90. Again, so right now in this one with Zillow, I'm just trying to recover my losses from my earnings play gone bad. But so far I've picked up 117 and 85. So I've picked up $202 of credit so far. And in theory, I could go $2 inverted, or right? And say, okay, and that way at least I still can't lose anything. But notice how here the strikes are $5 apart. So if I go $5 inverted, I'm locking in that $5 loss, but I'm only picking up 202 credit plus 125 credit. That is less than the $5. That's only like $327 of credit, but I'm locking in a $500 loss, so I'm not going to do that. Same thing if I try to roll it down to the 70 straddle to get closer to where the money is, I have to pay. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to keep this at the 75, leave it unchanged. That's where it is right now. Pick up $87 and wait for a bit of a rebound in Zillow. That fills right away. Picked up 87. It's fine. All right, let's see what else we got. Sorted by days to expiration here. Okay, Joby. All right, what happened to Joby right now? Down to $8. Oh boy. Okay, so I have to roll out this 10 put and this 10 put. Very well. If I want to roll this out to January, I pick up a measly $33 in credit. That's fine. I'll pick that one up. No problem. So hopefully that'll get filled. And then of course the other put is a long-term put that is out there with a 417-day expiration. Not touching that one. So just the December 17th, 2021 to January 21, 2022 one. All right, so that's the only roll there. EWZ, 29.50. This one's doing great for us here. We got the 30-31 strangle. We're just under our short put at 29.50. $239 of extrinsic value left with only 18 days to go. Incredible. Not sure what's happening there. If I roll this out to January, I pick up 72 in credit. Now, I can't imagine why there's $208 of extrinsic value left. And remember that's extrinsic. So there's only about $49 or $50 of intrinsic value plus another 207 of extrinsic. That's why it's trading for 257. That's incredible. I feel like I want to wait a little bit more for a little bit more of that to come out. So maybe I'll wait another week or so. Hopefully that'll go down a little bit to like 150. I mean, I'm expecting that to start, the extrinsic value to start coming out of there pretty quick with only 18 days to go. So I'm gonna keep that one open. Beto. All right, our Bitcoin futures here. It's had a bit of a wild ride. We got a 28.33 strangle here, and put credit spread, and we are well above our short put, so that's great. So we're in the money. Again, $75 of extrinsic value left. Very interesting that we sold this for 105, and it would still cost us $75 to buy it back. If I were to roll this one out, what would I get? Roll it into January. Let's see. I would pick up only $57. I'm actually going to hold on to it for just a little bit longer, try to squeeze a little bit more out of it, maybe toward Thursday or Friday this week, get rid of it. SoFi, yeah, this is a pain in my ass, 25 put here. Yeah, let's try to roll that one out. I can pick up a measly $40, waiting for SoFi to have one of its swings. It was recently up to like 23, 24. Now it's swung back down to the mid to high teens again. So I can't roll this down to, if I roll it down to 22 and a half, I gotta pay 175. So I'm just gonna keep it at 25, collect the 40, do that one there. So that one filled. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, silver's at 18 days. I got the 24 straddle in silver. That's fine. Let's roll this one out. Not picking up a whole lot of credit here. Again, it's only 50 cents strikes here, and there's not a whole lot of people in this one in the open interest, but there's enough. So if I try to roll this down to $23.50, $8 I gotta pay. I can't do it for a credit, so I'm gonna keep it at the 24, pick up a measly 30 cents, and wait for a bit of a rebound there. And what else? SoFi. Let's see, we talked about Palantir. IWM is 18 days away, 223. Yeah, so IWM did have a bit of a down move, and so now we're on the short side here. So I don't think I can roll this out for credit. There's only $7 of extrinsic value. If I roll this, even if I roll this into, let's say, December 17th, $10. Yeah, it's almost not worth rolling at this point. It's almost for a scratch. you know what? I'm going to try this. What happens if I take this? I'm going to keep it open. Yeah, I'm going to wait. I mean, this is essentially a butterfly at this point. And so I'm just going to wait until this might move back up. If there's a lot of this spookiness, the market got a little bit spooked by this whole Omicron thing. It came down, and maybe it's going to come back a little bit more. If it comes back into range, I can roll it out or even close it for a scratch. So not touching that one. Okay, Palantir. All right, we talked about that one. Peloton. The other earnings play gone wrong that I'm chasing. If I roll this out into January, I pick up $100. Again, strikes are $5 wide, so I can't roll it down to 60 because that would cost me $330. But I can keep it at 65, stay at 100, and collect a little bit more credit that fills. Hoping for a bit of a rebound there. Yeah, it's been going sideways, right? Peloton's been going sideways for a few weeks now. That's good. Hopefully, they'll get a little bit of momentum and start moving up. So, yeah, a lot of positions here to chase. The one thing I do have to close today, again, if some of these close today, great. If not, I can close them out tomorrow or something. The one thing I want to definitely close out today is the one that's in the red here, SPY. It is expiring today. I'm willing and happy to pay $4. Okay, even 401 just to get this thing closed. There should be enough volume here in these positions here. 4,000, 7,000, 5,000, 23,000. Yeah, there's should be enough here to get these closed out. I'm going to be chasing this to make sure I close it out today before the market closes in about 20, 30 minutes. All right. So we talked about Joby, EWZ, Beto, IWM, Palantir, Silver, SoFi, Peloton, and that's it. All right. Very good. And I'm just going to be working on these a little bit more. All right. So that's it for today. Happy Monday. Thanks. Bye.